Have you ever seen a board that syncs written content to your computer in real time? Whiteboard can make it happen. How to use it? There is a USB cable on the whiteboard. Use it to connect to your computer. And now you can use whiteboard. Now you can sync what you write on the board to your computer. What's more, whiteboard can also realize full-screen writing synchronization. Use the Share shortcut. The computer will display a QR code. You can scan the QR code to get what's written on the board. In addition to the green panel, whiteboard also has a white panel to choose from.